Por allá. Mira, allá por aquí hay como que verás, está bien feo. El agua está bien fea. ¿Sí la calle?
You are really not going to want to leave. Although right now you might think you do, but you don't. Because after the rain, and I'm watching the radar, it is going away, we're going to have two numbers for a dime at the big group. But that's when the rain slows down a little bit. There might be another surprise coming in a few minutes, so stay tuned.